Rare, precious, and unique. People seek these qualities in relationships, artwork, and experiences, but perhaps nowhere does rarity matter more than in achieving strong investment returns. If you own a limited entity, its value cannot help but increase, bringing you more wealth over time. The Uranium Royalty Company, a pure-play first mover in uranium royalty exposure, owns and manages a portfolio of geographically diversified uranium interests, including uranium royalties and streams, debt and equity investments in uranium companies, and physical uranium assets. Investors gain direct exposure to uranium prices without the operating costs and concentrated risks associated with exploration, development, and mining of uranium projects. Founded in 2017 and in the capable hands of URC Director Amir Adnani and his team of experts, URC is listed on the NASDAQ CM exchange under the symbol UROY. Many factors have come together to lift URC's value in 2021, including U.S. interest in domestically produced uranium, green energy initiatives inclusive of nuclear power, increased concern about national security, a U.S. mandate to generate 100% carbon pollution-free electricity by 2035, and a strategic uranium reserve budget of $1.5 billion over 10 years for domestic uranium. URC is poised to meet the needs of the government and U.S. consumers with a royalty and stream business model that has the sturdy potential to return robust gains to investors. Uranium royalties pay the holder a percentage of the minerals produced and associated. Uranium streams facilitate the purchase of mined uranium in exchange for payments at a preset price for metal delivered. URC taps into 6 types of royalty streams in its business model. Uranium, when it moves, does so more spectacularly than gold or silver because the global supply is so tight. From 2001 to 2007, its price rose 3,500%, and recent price increases corroborate its movement. The US currently imports over 90% of what it needs domestically, and URC is at the forefront of petitioning the US government to mine independent uranium to enhance national security by reducing dependence on foreign uranium imports. Uranium is the cleanest form of green energy that exists. As the Biden administration drives its energy independence infrastructure initiative, URC has the market cornered with a massive profit-making opportunity. Uranium spot prices, up 54% in 7 weeks, are at a 9-year high in October of 2021. Add that to a US nuclear power demand growth of 36% in the past 2 decades, and implacable global demand in China, India, Russia, and Japan, and that's an unrelenting call for more uranium. To add to the good news, with bipartisan support for the first time in 48 years, the Senate recently passed an infrastructure bill that provides a $6 billion nuclear credit program for qualifying nuclear plants with priority given to reactors using uranium produced in the United States. A base requirement of $75 million in appropriations is expected for fiscal 2022. First to the finish line wins the gold, or in this case, an even more valuable metal. URC is the first company to apply a successful royalty and streaming business model exclusively to the uranium sector. Serious investors looking for a market play that generates steam can't get much better than the matchless potential value of uranium.